You know how many people in this world who have failed? According to Sword.com, there are around 70% people in this world who have failed. That is so many. And do you know what causes them to fail? Yes, one of them is wasting time. In the past, when I was in 8th grade, I participated in the physics Olympic. At the time, I was just lazy and wasted my time because my teacher ever said the question will be same like last year, but don't forget to study. It made me think, why should I study if the question will be same like last year? When the Olympic started, I was shocked because the question were not same like last year. And it made me stay silent until the time done. A few weeks passed. The announcement of the winner of the competition came out. Hearing that, I immediately went to check it with a disappointed feeling. When I was checking it, I was surprised because I saw my friend's name there. Seeing that, I went to my friend to congratulate him on his achievement. After saying it, before leaving, my friend helped me and said, use your time properly. After returning from school, I remembered what my friend said, and it made me think, why didn't I waste my time? And why didn't I use it properly? Because I changed my mind to always use my time properly. And finally, I can get what I want. I can go to the next round in the next competition. So let us use our time properly. Because disappointment always comes at the end, not at the beginning. I'm Imam. Thank you.
Oh my God, Imam, your public speaking is so cool.